Bring him over here, Daniel. Go.
Cheese. Luke doesn't want to do it.
Yeah, I think he does. He wants to play with his big sister. Look at him. No, don't let him get Frisco like that. Yeah. Danielle.
That's what you wanted us to do.
Come on. Can you back up, Lou? Oh, I think he's trying to turn around, Daniel. Can you help him? Yeah, get Frisco out of the... Good job. I don't think you have enough room, buddy. You can... What's going on? Come on, bud. Can you figure it out? Here, let's just do this. Come on, buddy. Zoo.